This is Adrian Manz. If you'd like a copy of my book, Around the Horn, A Trader's Guide to Consistently Scoring in the Markets, visit traderinsight.com, where you'll receive a 30% discount and 3-day shipping. That's the best price anywhere, only from Trader Insight.
From Los Angeles, TraderInsight.com presents Dr. Adrian Manz in the war room and at the helm with today's look at stocks and sectors on the radar.
For TraderInsight.com, I'm Adrian Manz, and this is Stocks and Sectors on the Radar for Tuesday, May 12, 2009. On Monday, Dow Jones Industrials down 156 points to close at 84,1877. We had 863 stocks advance, 2,189 decline, and NYSE total volume a little on the light side at 1.5 billion shares. S&P 500 down 20 points to 909 and a quarter. NASDAQ 100 up fractionally to 1395.79, and the NASDAQ comp down 7 3/4 at 1731.24. Of the stocks on the radar for Monday's trading, Hanover Insurance Group, no show. Perini Corp, no show. They both reversed, had inside days, nothing to look at there. Cigna Corporation, we had an infield fly set up with a 23.37 entry and 22.85 target. This one triggered us in, obviously took us straight down to the profit target and beyond. So the email that I received this morning was, what do you do when the whole market gaps down 100 points the way that it did? As a matter of fact, it was more than 100 points once you factored in fair value. We were really down about 127 off the open. We chose, in this case, to avoid the first 5-minute bar of the day. So on these discretionary trades, I really don't want to fool around with them too much when we're going to have a huge gap like that. Those gaps tend to increase volatility. They tend to really pound around a bit. In the case of Cigna, just waited for that second 5-minute bar, and then your entry is much cleaner, much clearer. You don't have this pop all the way down. Even if you did get in, you didn't get hurt, right? You went 50% to the profit target, came back up, stopped out flat, got triggered back into the trade on the next bar or the bar thereafter, depending on how you were timing your entries. But we see that the move down to that 22.85 level was pretty smooth, and then the pop below that second support should have been everybody's cue to look for an extension to the downside. SUG, this was another story altogether. This was a fastball, expansion of range, expansion of volume. We had a 1730 entry, a 1767 target, all on the long side on a day the market gapped down. You see it here, first 5 minutes of the day, stocks coming on strong, gets right up about to that entry price, and at the close of trading of the first 5 minutes, gets you in. Second bar of the day, second 5-minute bar, gets all the way up to the profit target and beyond before reversing and coming back in and trading lower with the rest of the market. So another very nice trade on the long side on a big down day in the markets. Just goes to show you there's always opportunity to profit from these around the horn patterns. Now let's take a look at what's on deck for Tuesday. 2 on the radar going into the session, both of them much smaller moves than we're usually looking for. First one, Hartke Hanks Incorporated. This is in media. It's a consumer stock, ticker symbol HHS. Long side entry on trade above $8.75 a share with a tight scalp profit target up around $9.05, $9.10. It's a switch hitter setup. Any other day of the week, I'd be saying I'm going to look for $9.50 on it, but given the additional volatility that I'm anticipating during the Tuesday session, I'm going to keep these targets on the discretionary trades very, very tight. Next one is Ruby Tuesday Incorporated. This is in hotels, also a consumer stock. This is a fastball, expansion of range, minor expansion of volume, short side setup with an anticipated trigger price around $6.75 and an initial profit target at $6.40. They're going to be small moves, but we've got plenty to do with the stocks on the intraday trading plan, and the stocks to watch list should keep us pretty busy throughout the session. If you have any questions, shoot me an email, adrian@traderinsight.com. Use protective stops on every trade and have a great trading day on Tuesday.